Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on extended hours in TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in TradingView, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Extended hours allows you to view pre-market and after-hours trading data. Now, it can give you insights into how a stock is likely to perform during regular trading hours. For example, there's major news events and earning reports often occur outside regular trading hours. Viewing extended hours can help you see how the market is reacting in real time. Now, for you to be able to do that, it's quite easy. All you're going to do is click on the products, click super charts, and choose the chart of your liking. Now, what will happen is you should remember that extended hours can be more volatile, offering unique trading opportunities for those looking to capitalize on rapid price movements. So you can do this either going to the chart settings here in the upper right corner, okay, or you simply see the icon here, just click on it to go to the settings again of your chart, or you can simply right click on any part of the active screen and click on settings. Now, for you to be able to extend the hours in TradingView, all you're gonna do is go to the trading right here. It's a very easy and a straightforward process. Now, hear me out. All you're gonna do is go to the extended. Alright? Now that means extended hours can provide a more comprehensive view of price trends and help you make informed trading decisions, because understanding trading and volumes during extended hours can provide additional context for your analysis. Now, all you have to do is click on OK. And once you are here, you would be able to help you find better entry and exit points by observing price movements outside regular trading hours. You see, by including extended hours data on your backtesting, you can develop and refine trading strategies that account for all market conditions. Not only that, I believe it ensures your strategies are effective during both regular and extended hours. That can lead to more robust performance. Monitoring extended hours can help you manage the risk and associated with price gaps that occur between market close and open. Alright? And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.